Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete multiple pins on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest first. Now log into your Pinterest account with ID and password. Go top right corner in your profile icon, just here, and you will find your two pins or pins here. If you want to delete your pins, then here you'll find two things, pins and your here these pins. Click on this, and then after that you'll find all of your pictures here in this board. What you're going to do is you should click on this organize. Now just select all or select your pictures, and just if you have multiple pictures here like 1 2 3 4, just select like this with your one click with mouse and just click on delete. Click delete and your board will be deleted. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.